Welcome back to our channel. Are you looking for the best truck bed cover to protect your gear? We've done the research, and today we're counting down the top 5 best truck bed covers on Amazon for 2025. From soft trifolds to hard-shell tonneaus, we've got something for every truck owner. Let's dive in. And of course, I've got links down below in the description for you to grab yours today. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing tech videos. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Autosaver 88 Soft Trifold Tonneau cover. This cover is a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on quality. It's made of durable, tear-resistant vinyl with reinforced stitching, and the trifold design makes it easy to install and remove in minutes. Plus, it provides a weatherproof seal, keeping your cargo safe from rain and dust. Upgrade your truck with the Autosaver 88 Soft Trifold Tonneau cover, designed for a precise fit on the 5.8-foot bed of 2025 Chevy Silverado 1500 and GMC Sierra 1500. Whether you're looking for enhanced security, all-weather protection, or a sleek design, this tonneau cover delivers it all. Custom-made for 2019 to 2025 Silverado and Sierra 1500, ensuring a seamless, snug fit. Features 2 types of clamps, a rear release bolt clamp to prevent loosening during drives, and a safety buckle with an aluminum safety rope, offering durability and stability. No drilling required. Comes with all mounting hardware and easy-to-follow instructions for a straightforward setup. Simply fold it back when you need full bed access. Built with reinforced UV and cold-resistant PVC, this cover shields your cargo from rain, snow, and extreme weather, keeping your truck bed dry and secure. Its aerodynamic design reduces wind drag, helping improve gas mileage and saving you money on fuel. Upgrade your truck today with the Autosaver 88 Soft Trifold Tonneau cover, a perfect blend of style, security, and efficiency. At number 4, we have the Tiger Auto T1 Soft Roll-Up Cover. This one is all about convenience. Unlike trifold designs, this soft roll-up cover allows full bed access in seconds. It's made from marine-grade vinyl, ensuring long-lasting durability, and the hook and loop fastener system keeps it snug and secure. Give your truck premium protection and sleek style with the Tiger Auto T1 Soft Roll-Up Tonneau cover. Designed to fit the 2025 Ford F-150 and 2022 to 2024 Ford F-150 Lightning, this U.S. patented cover is built for durability, security, and convenience. Made from 24 ounces marine-grade vinyl, dual-coated for extra strength, and supported by built-in horizontal crossbars that roll up seamlessly for full bed access. Strong, rust-resistant materials ensure long-lasting durability and a secure installation. Features a Velcro-sealed side system and latch lock at the tailgate, keeping your cargo safe from rain, snow, and dust. The adjustable tension system prevents sagging and keeps the vinyl tight and wrinkle-free in all conditions. Comes with all mounting hardware and instructions for a hassle-free setup. Upgrade your truck with the Tiger Auto T1 Soft Roll-Up Tonneau cover, the perfect blend of style, durability, and functionality. Coming in at number 3, we have the Fast Fit Hard Trifold Tonneau cover. If you need extra security, this is a fantastic choice. Built with heavy-duty aluminum panels, this hard trifold cover offers top-tier protection from theft and harsh weather. Installation is tool-free, and a low-profile design gives your truck a sleek, aerodynamic look. Upgrade your truck with the ultimate combination of durability, protection, and style. This hard trifold tonneau cover is specifically designed to fit the 2025 Chevy Silverado 1500 and GMC Sierra 1500 with a 5.8-foot truck bed. Not compatible with Carbon Pro bed, factory-side storage boxes, or roll bars. Equipping the cover may interfere with the power tailgate. Built with impact-resistant FRP panels and a matte black finish, this cover supports up to 500 pounds of evenly distributed weight, offering both strength and style. Need more room? Securely fold the cover back and use the built-in retaining straps to lock it in place for easy transportation of oversized cargo. Featuring ergonomic rear tail clamps, this cover offers a fast and tool-free setup. The clamps conveniently stow away inside the rails when not in use for a sleek look. Equipped with premium rubber perimeter seals and EPDM rubber to keep out rain, snow, and debris, ensuring your truck bed stays dry and protected in any weather condition. Upgrade your Chevy Silverado or GMC Sierra 1500 today with this rugged and reliable hard tri-fold tonneau cover, engineered for strength, security, and convenience. And number 2, we have the FTUO FRP Hard Tri-Fold Tonneau Cover. This cover takes security to the next level with its fiberglass reinforced polymer panels. It's lighter than aluminum, yet incredibly strong, making it ideal for heavy-duty truck owners. Plus, the weatherproof rubber seals keep your cargo dry and protected in all conditions. Enhance your truck's security, durability, and style with the FTUO FRP Hard Tri-Fold Tonneau Cover. Designed for 2025 Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra 1500, this cover is built to protect your cargo while giving your truck a sleek, modern look. Not compatible with Carbon Pro bed, factory utility track system, or roll bar equipped models. Made from PP honeycomb and FRP panels, this cover withstands up to 500 pounds of impact, preventing theft and ensuring long-lasting durability. The scratch-resistant, UV-protective black powder coat finish keeps it looking sharp in any weather. Whether you're storing tools, sports gear, fishing equipment, or luggage, this cover keeps your belongings safe from rain, snow, and prying eyes. A perfect gift for yourself or a loved one. Featuring a patented design, this tri-fold cover can be easily folded into thirds, making room for taller items like ladders or building materials. No drilling required. This cover installs or removes in just 10 to 15 minutes, providing effortless convenience for truck owners. Upgrade your Silverado or Sierra today with the FTUO FRP Hard Tri-Fold Tonneau Cover. A perfect blend of strength, security, and easy access. And finally, at number 1, the best truck bed cover of 2025 is the Tonneau Hardshell Folding Tonneau Cover. This premium cover combines heavy-duty aluminum with an ultra-secure locking system, giving you top-of-the-line protection. The waterproof design ensures your cargo stays dry no matter the weather, and its sleek, low-profile look makes your truck look even more badass. Upgrade your Ford F-150 with the Tonneau Hardshell Folding Tonneau Cover, designed for strength, style, and convenience. Built to withstand the elements while maintaining a sleek, low-profile look, this cover is the perfect addition to protect your truck bed. Built with a rugged aluminum frame and hinges, coated in matte black for a modern finish. The EnduraShield automotive-grade polymer panels are dent, fade, and scratch-resistant, staying cool even in hot climates. Simply use the clamps to fold the cover up for quick bed access, or lock it securely in place for added protection. Need extra space? Just loosen the front jaw grip clamps to remove the cover in seconds. No tools or drilling required. Engineered with an extreme seal system to keep rain, snow, and dust out, while its built-in tension system keeps the cover tight and secure in any condition. Enhance your truck's style, security, and functionality with the Tonneau Hardshell Folding Tonneau Cover. The perfect blend of strength and convenience. And that's our list of the top 5 best truck bed covers on Amazon for 2025. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest gear reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.